morning. Our friends from Hyundai Motorsport will participate in the new fully electric touring car championship. And as the EV specialist, we are not only supplying parts for Hyundai Motors electric cars, but from now on, also with state-of-the-art components for the new Veloster and TCR. Let's show the world what our new compact turning center of the SE 2200 series are capable of.
We are ready.
Here we are, let's go.
Sorry guys, you cannot film the powertrain.